नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण बी.कॉम सेकंड इयर सेमिस्टर थर्ड आणि एम.कॉम या दोन्ही वर्गांच्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचे असणारे एम.सी.क्यू पाहणार आहोत आणि सब्जेक्ट आहे बिझनेस मॅथमॅटिक्स अँड स्टॅटिस्टिक्स म्हणजेच BMS. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट आहे, इफ A and B be the root of the equation 2x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of 2AB is. ऑप्शन आहे A minus B, B 3, C ऑप्शन C ऑप्शन 1, D option -3. The right answer is D -3. Question number second. 6 years before, the ratio of the age of two sisters, Mithali and Sonali, is 2:3. If the present age of Mithali is 30 years, then the present age of Sonali is. Option A 28 years, option B right answer is B 42 years. Right answer is 42 years. Then third question, the value of logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is. The value of logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is option A 3, option B 0, option C 1, option D 2. The right answer is A 3. Then fourth number question, product of the two roots of quadratic equation 3 square 2 minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 is. Option A 2 divided 5, B 3 divided 2, C 2 divided 3, and D 5 divided 3. The right answer is C 2 divided 3. The next question, 5 number. The mean proportional between 2 and 8 is. The mean proportional between 2 and 8 is. Option A 4, option B 16, option C 3, option D 1. Statistics gives the result as on. Statistics gives the result as on. A exactly, B average, C actual, D none of these. The right answer is B average. Then 7th number question. The data taken by investor from the figure collected by others is called as A primary data, B secondary data, C future, D none of these. The right answer is B secondary data. Then 8th number question. Any data collected by investor himself. Any data collected by investor himself. A primary, B option secondary, C option future, D none of these. The right answer is A, primary. 9 number. If the data is collected from every member of entire population is called as option A, census method, B, sampling method, C, above A and B, and D, none of these. The right answer is the LCM of 126 and 105 is one of the following. Option A, 2420, B option 4420, C number 4400, and D 4410. The right answer is D 4410. Then 11 number question. The HCF of 714 and 476 is one of the following. Option A 238, B option 239, C option 241, D option 243. The right answer is A 238. Then 12th number. The word LCM stands for A, highest common factor, B, greatest common factor divisor, B, greatest common divisor, C, latest common multiplier, and D, none of the above. The right answer is C, least common multiplier. Then 13 number. Is one of the following. A 15, B 16, C 19, D none of these. The right answer is D, none of the above. Then 40 number. The main source of secondary data is option A, government publication, B, journal and magazines, B, publication of educational and research institution, and D, all of this. The right answer is D, all of these. Then 15 number question. If a part of data is collected from entire population is called as option A, census method, B, sampling method, C, lottery method, and D, none of these. The right answer is B, sampling method. Then 16 number. A quantity which does not change its value is called as option A, continuous, B, variable, C, constant, D, none of these. The right answer is C, constant. Then 17 number. If the arithmetic mean of then the value of x is A, 16, B, 19, C, 12, D, 21. The right answer is B, 19. Then 18 number. Which term 128 is one of the progression 1, 2, 4, 8? Question mark. A. 8th term. B. 7th term. C. 9th term. D. 10th term. The right answer is A. 8th term. 19 number. Their numbers are in the ratio 5 as 7 as 12, and the sum of the first and third number is greater than the second by 50. The sum of the three number is, again, their number are in the ratio 5 as 7, 7 as 12, and the sum of the first and third number is greater than the second by 50. The sum of the three number is option A 130, option B 125. The right answer is B 128. Then last 20th number question. The value of logarithm of 3 divided by 10 to the base 10 is A 1, B -1, C 0, D 10. The right answer is B -1. Thank you.